Okay, good morning everyone. Thank you for coming to today discuss. I hope everyone is doing well. Today we are going to discuss an important issue that affects not only our campus but also the environment around us. The topic of today meeting is reducing plastic waste on campus. As we know, plastic waste has become a serious problem in many places. Every day students use plastic bottles, plastic bags, food containers, and other disposable products. We need to discuss the cause of this problem and find possible solution. Let's begin with your opinion. Member one, please start.
Thank you. In my opinion, plastic waste has become a serious issue because many students still use single-use plastic every day. For example, students often buy things in plastic cups and bottled water. They also use plastic bags when buying food or other items. Most of these products are only used once and then thrown away. As a result, the amount of waste on campus keeps increasing.
Okay, thank you for your opinion. That is very good point. Member two, do you agree with member one?
Yes, I agree. I have noticed that after lunch break, many many plastic bottles, cup, and food wrappers can be found around mm, the campus area. Sometimes students leave trash in classroom on benches instead of throwing it in the trash bin. I think this behavior contributes to the problem.
I see. So student behavior may also play a role. Member three, what do you think caused that issue?
In my opinion, one of the main causes is the lack of awareness among students. Some students know that plastic waste is harmful to the environment, but they still not change their habits. They may think that throwing away one plastic bottle is not a big problem, but when thousands of students do the same thing every day, it's become a serious issue.
That's an interesting opinion. Awareness is indeed very important. Member four, what do you think?
I think another problem is the lack of facility. For example, there are not enough recycling bins on campus. Even if students want to spare their waste properly, sometimes they cannot find recycling bins nearby. Because of that, they are just throw everything into one trash bin.
Thank you. That's a good point. Facilities can influence people behavior. Member five, what's your opinion?
I think convenience is also one of the reasons plastic products are cheap, easy to use and easy to find. Students often choose practical things because they have busy schedules. For example, buying a bottle drink is faster than buying a reusable bottle from home.
Okay, thank you everyone. We have discussed several possible causes including student habits, lack of awareness, limited facilities, and convenience. Now let's discuss the impacts of plastic waste. Member one, what impacts can plastic waste have?
Plastic waste can damage the environment because plastic takes a very long time to decompose. Sometimes of plastic may take hundreds of years before they complete breakdown. During that time, plastic waste can pollute and water.
Very good point. What do you think, member two?
Plastic waste can also make the campus environment look dirty and unpleasant. A clean campus creates a better atmosphere for learning, but too much waste can reduce concern for students and leaders.
Alright, thank you for your opinion. What do you think, member 3?
I think plastic waste can also affect animal and ecosystem. For example, animal may accidentally eat plastic waste and become sick.
I agree with your opinion, member 4.
I would also like to add that too much waste can encourage waste management costs because university may need additional resources to handle the problem.
Alright, member 5.
Plastic pollution can also affect future generations if we do not take action now. Environmental problems may become worse over time.
Thank you everyone. Now let's move on to possible solution. Member 1, please give your suggestion.
I think the university should encourage studies to bring resource bottle and resource bins. Small change in daily habits can create a big impact.
Good question, member 2.
I think awareness campaign should be organized. We can create a poster, social media content, and education activities to remind students about reducing plastic use.
Thank you for your suggestion, member 3.
I suggest holding environmental programs such as a campus cleanup day every month. Students can participate together and learn more about environmental responsibility.
Excellent idea, member 4.
I think the university should provide more recycling bins in strategic places such as classroom, cafeteria, libraries, and hallways.
Very good, member 5.
I think the cafeteria should reduce plastic packaging and replace it with eco-friendly material like paper containers.
Those are excellent suggestions. In your opinion, which solution should be prioritized?
I think companies should come first because change habits starts with understanding the problem.
I agree, but facilities should also be improvement at the same time.
Yes, both are important because awareness alone may not be enough.
I agree. Students need about information and support from the campus.
Cooperation between students and the university is necessary for long-term success.
Okay, good discussion everyone. Today we discussed the cause of plastic waste, its impacts, and several possible solutions. We agree that awareness, better facilities, and cooperation are important to reduce plastic waste on campus. Thank you for all your participation and valuable opinions. I hope discussion can inspire positive action in the future. Okay, thank you all.